Welcome to Tech Hamster AI Insights and Reviews. Here are 18 free tools to enhance your website design. Number 1. Business Inspiration. ZenBusiness is a company that provides services to help entrepreneurs start, run, and grow their businesses. ZenBusiness has garnered positive reviews for its affordability, ease of use, and customer service. Number 2. Free Website Builder. Build your own free website with websitebuilder.com. There are thousands of templates to choose from to create a stunning website in minutes.
Number 3. Color Palette Generator. Looking for inspiration for the color scheme of your new website? With Coolors.co you get a fresh idea and a new color palette every time you hit the spacebar. Number 4. Animations. Ani Collection is a library of CSS animations which allows you to improve your website and easily integrate the animations into your code with HTML, CSS or JavaScript code formats for free.
Number 5. Free Icons. Number 6. Free Web Prototyping and Collaboration Tools. Number 7. Weeb. For further details, visit techhamster.io. Thanks for watching.